Hare Krishna, Namaste everyone. I welcome you to the final lesson from our mighty Guru Lord Hanuman. So today I'm going to discuss a very small instance in the story of Ramayana. This is it is often overlooked as an incident while discussing the journey to Lanka. The situation I'm talking about is when the monkeys were stranded on the seashore, not able to decide who can accomplish the mission of crossing the ocean. So we've already discussed this particular situation in one of the few previous videos, but I'm coming back to this portion because there is a gem from this part that I found very valuable and I would like to share with you. So when the monkeys were stranded like this on the seashore, not able to decide that who can cross the ocean, reach Lanka and find Sita, in this particular situation, they were discussing different options under the leadership of Prince Angad. Angad was the monkey prince, right? So they were discussing different options. Each of them were telling Angad about their own capacities, how much they can jump, how much they can leap, who can cross the ocean, and all these discussions were taking place. And during this time, some of the monkeys said, "See, none of us are capable of crossing the entire ocean. Nobody is that capable amongst us. So what we should do, if we return back unsuccessfully to Sugriva again, then he will punish us to death. Okay, so what we should do now is we should run away and hide from Lord Rama and Sugriva for now, and then later on when we see that the danger has passed, we can come out again." So Angad was considering this particular thing what the monkeys said, and at that time Hanuman stepped forward and told Angad, "Prince, please do not listen to the foolish words by these monkeys. Because if Lord Rama decides to find us, no matter where we hide on the face of this earth, we will surely face his wrath. So what we should do now is, we should face this challenge like warriors by determining that we shall not return without accomplishing the mission." So this was a very inspiring speech by Hanuman, and after this speech, the monkeys were all motivated and they discussed further, and we know then Jambavan came forward and reminded Hanuman of his powers, and the rest is history. We already know the story. So here Hanuman symbolizes a true friend to Angad, to Prince Angad, because he is showing Angad the potential danger of running away like cowards, and he inspires Angad to take the first step forward towards the mission. Like, no matter, you don't know if how that will end, you have to take the first step forward. You have to deal with the challenge and accomplish the mission. That is what Hanuman does, and Hanuman just does not inspire Angad, he stands by him. He acts as his pillar of support in this particular situation. So that is the epitome of a true friend. When we face challenges in life, that is when we realize what true friends are, isn't it? Because a true friend will always stand by your side, understand your situation, and will always stand by your side and will inspire you to take the real step forward. That is the forward step towards success or towards growth. That person will always stand by your side, be the pillar of your strength, right? So if you have friends like that, I'm sure you have faced challenges, and that time you have realized who your true friends are. So if you have friends like that, please cherish them, please be with them. When they too face challenges, reciprocate that friendship and be grateful for such wonderful human beings in your life. So that is a very valuable lesson in friendship that Hanuman teaches us. This is the final lesson from Hanuman. In the next video, we shall introduce another character from Ramayana as our Guru and learn about what they teach us about life. But I would also like to inform you that the next English video would be uploaded directly on August 17th, because the Malayalam month of Karkidagam, the auspicious month of Karkidagam, is about to commence on July 16th. And during the course of this month, Adhyatma Ramayanam recital in Malayalam would be held throughout the month, that is daily. So because of that, English videos will be temporarily paused, and we will post the next video directly on August 17th. So I request you to bless this venture too. And until we see next time, Hare Krishna.